mirurungano iria yambikitwo icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi kiumia giki igitabanio ni mbeu njithi makiria rika ria Gen Z iria ikoretwo yerekeirio thirikari makiria kumana na mendekithia ma mawatho meru watho-ini wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2024. Ung'ethaniri uyu watwarwo nginyagia haria President William Ruto auma umuthi kaunti-ini ya Laikipia. President agitigwa tare na wikio tiga kwariria ung'ethaniri uyu akigathiriria rika riri kumana na gwitikira kwariria thirikari iguru rigie mathina mao.
I am very proud of our young people. They have stepped forward tribeless. They have stepped forward peaceful. And I want to tell them we are going to engage them. We are going to have a conversation so that together we can build a greater nation.
The Gen Zs have no tribe, no religion, no class, but they are our children. They are not enemies of the nation. They are our children. We love you and we welcome you.
Kuringana na President mbeu njithi aya matiagiriire gukirirwo indi mabatie guthikiririo ihinda-ini riri maroneka gwakanwo ni mang'uri mwaka wa kuiganana na wathani wa bururi riu akiranira ati we niehariirie kunanira njung'wa nao na kumathikiriria.
We are going to have a conversation with you so that we can identify your issues and we can work together as a nation.
Kuona mahinda maingi mbeu njithi makoretwo magiikara ihugo gwakinya ni uteti President akagathiriria mutugo wao wa gwitikira mugambo wao WUIGUIKE riu makiaririria thirikari mamikoreire maitho.
Hawa vijana ni watoto wetu, tumewazaa na ni watoto wetu ambao tumewalea. Mimi nataka niwaambie hawa vijana wetu, mimi nawapongeza kwa kujitokeza na kushughulika na mambo ya taifa lenu la Kenya.
So to Your Excellency and the leadership of this country, this is a discerning moment. Not so much talking, but I think listening to one another and reaching out to one another. Let us embrace the spirit of listening more than talking.
Ona kuri uguo President niareganite na uhoro wa thirikari nitirikite mbeu njithi riu akiuga thirikari yake niambikite mibango mikinyaniru ya kumanyitirira.
Let me also tell the young people of our nation that in this year's budget also we have increased our higher education loans board so that no child from any vulnerable family can lack an opportunity to be in a TVET or in a university on account of the ability of their parents or guardians to pay for their fees. We are going to make sure that every child has access to higher education.
President agatariria kuongererwo kwa budget ya bururi makiria kigina-ini kia NGCDF na shilingi bilioni 10 ta undu umwe wa maundu maria monanitie wirutiri wa thirikari yake hari kwagirithia tabarira ta cia waki wa ceceni cia ICT iria irongoreirio muno mbeu njithi.
In this year's budget, I have enhanced the budget going to CDF to increase by 10 billion so that young people can get bursary and young people, we can build ICT hubs so that these young people can get digital jobs because we know the challenge of unemployment in our country.
Hadi nyaka TV ile tutakuwa ni bataro wa Mwagi.